Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. So this 13th problem, first of all, goodwill has to be raised. Goodwill accounted out to S capital to B's capital in the old profit sharing ratio 5:3. Now goodwill has to be written off completely. The goodwill account is created and all the partners including the new partner, A's capital, B's capital, C's capital. In which ratio? New profit sharing ratio. How to calculate new profit sharing ratio? Old ratio of A and B 5:3. New partner C's ratio is 1/4. So remaining share 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. Now A's new share is 3/4 into 5/8. So 5 3s are 15. 4 8s are 32. So 15/32 is the new ratio of A. B 3/4 into 3/8. So 9/32. The new ratio of all the partners 15/32, 9/32 is to 1/4. C's share is 1/4. अब 4 को 32 बनाने के लिए you have to multiply with 8. 8 4s are 32. तो 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So all the denominator will become 32, 15, 9, 8. In the 15, 9, 8 ratio, we distribute this 20,000. So 20,000 into 15/32, 20,000 into 9/32, 20,000 into 8/32, you'll get 5,000. That's it. Now, problem number 14. A and B are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C giving him 1/5 share in future profits. He brings his proportionate share of goodwill. The goodwill of the firm is to be determined on the basis of 2 years purchase of the average profit from business of the last 5 years. The particulars of the profits are as under. So here two partners are there, A and B. They want to admit C giving him 1/5 share. लेकिन goodwill का value हमको calculate करना है. Previous problem goodwill amount was given. Here it is asking you to calculate goodwill according to simple average 2 years purchase of simple average profit. The profit for the 5 years are 2001 there is a profit of 20,000. 2002 there is a loss of 10,000. 2003 profit 20,000, 2004 profit 25,000, 2005 profit 30,000. ये 5 साल में 1 साल लॉस है, माइनस करना है. Ascertain the amount of goodwill to be brought in by C in the firm. How much C should bring in the form of goodwill, that we have to calculate, right? So it is problem number 14. Calculation of the amount of goodwill. Now 2001 there's a profit of 20,000. 2002 there is a loss of 10,000. Then 2003 there's a profit of 20,000, 25,000 and 30,000. The total profit is equal to 85,000. Average profit is equal to 85,000 divided by 5. 85,000 divided by 5, 17,000. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So average profit 17,000. It is given in the problem 2 years purchase. So we got the goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm is equal to 34,000. We want to find out how much is the share of goodwill to be brought by the new partner. New partner is C. Share of goodwill of C. Share of C is equal to 1/5. 1/5 is the share of goodwill, share of profit of C. Therefore, C's share of goodwill is equal to 34,000 into 1/5. 1/5 of 34,000, 6,800. Therefore, C should bring rupees 6,800 as goodwill. That's it. So C should bring 6,800 in the form of goodwill. Next, 15th problem. A, B and C were in partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. B retired from the firm, from the business. For the purpose of B's retirement, goodwill of the firm is valued at 21,000. Give journal entries on the assumption that the continuing partners decide to wipe off goodwill account from the books. So first of all, it's a problem of retirement. So far we have seen the problems of admission. So in this A, B and C, B is retiring. So we have to raise the goodwill. And then the continuing partners are A and C. And A and C wants to write off the goodwill. So first we have to raise the goodwill and create the parties. Create the partners, all the partners including the retiring partner. So 15th problem, journal entries. Being the goodwill raised, first of all, goodwill should be debited and all partners should be credited. A's capital, B's capital, C's capital in the old ratio. Being the goodwill raised and shared in the old ratio. So 10,500. A को 10,500, 6,300. And last one is 4,200. In which ratio we have divided? In the problem it is given old ratio 5:3:2, 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. So 21,000 into 5/10, 21,000 into 3/10 and 2/10 share. Now we have to write off the goodwill. अभी जो goodwill को debit करते हैं, goodwill को credit करेंगे. But who wants to write off the goodwill amount? The continuing partners, the remaining partners. B retired. So A and C decided to write off the goodwill. So A's capital account data, C's capital account data to goodwill account 21,000. Being the goodwill written off by continuing partners in the new ratio, that is 5:2. 5:2, 15,000, 6,000. See here, the old ratio was 5:3:2. This is A, B and C. Here what is happening? B is retiring. So we'll drop the share of B. So remaining ratio will be 5:2. So 5:2 is the new profit sharing ratio between A and C. In this ratio, the goodwill will be written off. We have completed all the short problems. 15 short problems are there. All 15 short problems we have done. Now we'll come to the main problems. First main problem. See the first main problem. Fixed and fluctuating capitals. X and Y start business with capitals of 90,000, 45,000 on 1st Jan 2008. Two partners, X and Y, started business. 90,000, 45,000 are the capitals of A and B. Y is entitled to a salary of 600 per month. So 600 per month into 12, 7,200 is the annual salary of Y. Interest is allowed on capital and is charged on drawings at 5% per annum. So we have interest on capital and interest on drawings, both at 5%. But remember one point, when the drawings are made, not given in the problem. So we assume that drawings are made in the middle of the year. So we calculate the interest on drawing for half year, 6 months. Whereas interest on capital will calculate for the whole year. Profits are to be distributed equally after making the above adjustments. During the year, X withdrew 10,000 and Y 12,000. These are the drawings. Profit before adjustment amounted to 52,000. This is the profit before adjustment. Assuming the capitals to be fixed, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and capital accounts relating to partners. The partners are maintaining fixed capital account. So that means we have to open a current account to make all adjustments. So in this problem, we have to first of all make the profit and loss appropriation account. Then we have to make partners current account and also partners capital account. First problem, main problem first. Profit and loss appropriation account. See here, P&L account. How much is the profit given before adjustment? 52,000 is given. This profit is coming from P&L account, right? Interest on drawings, X and Y. Here the partners are X and Y. The drawings made by X and Y are 10,000 and 12,000. And interest is to be calculated 5%. But it is calculated only for 6 months, so 6 by 12. So 10,000 into 5% into 6 by 12. 12,000 into 5% into 6 by 12. 250 and 300. Similarly, we take to interest on capital. How much is the capital at the beginning of the year? 90,000, 45,000. %. So it comes to 4,500, 2,250. Salary, why salary? Salary is to be paid 600 per month into 12. 7,200. That's it. Now the remaining net profit. Balancing figure transferred to XY. Now, total of the credit side is 52,550. The total of the credit side 52,550. Out of 52,550, subtract 4,500, 2,250, 7,200. These three amount you subtract. The balancing figure you will get 38,600. This is the net profit, divisible net profit. So 38,600 into, what is the old profit sharing ratio? Equally. It is given the partners share profit equally, 1/2. So 19,300. Each partner will get 19,300. That's it. We have prepared the profit and loss appropriation account. Already previous so many problems we have done. Nothing new. Now partners current account. XY. Now see here, in current account, we take whatever debit side items are there, we will take it on the credit side. This is a new business started this year only. It's not coming from previous year. So we don't have any balance in current account. We have the balance only in capital account. So current account, we don't have any balance. Take the amount on the credit side. By interest on capital. By interest on capital 4,500 and 2,250. Then by Y's salary 7,200. By P and L appropriation account profit. How much profit each partner is getting? 19,300. 19,000. Debit side to drawings. Always we should take drawings on the debit side. How much are the drawings given? 10,000, 12,000. Apart from that, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings 250 and 300. Here we have calculated. Come on, we have taken all the values. Now we'll find out the balance. Balancing figure. Balancing figure. First of all, take the total on the credit side. X column credit side total 23,800. Here also 23,800. Subtract from 23,800 minus 10,000 minus 250. You will get 13,550. So 13,550 is the closing balance in current account of X. Similarly, Y's current account credit side 28,750. Here also 28,750. From 28,750 subtract 12,300. You will get 16,450. That's it. So we have prepared P&L appropriation account, we have prepared partners current account. Now partners fixed capital account. Partners capital accounts. In partners capital account, the capital will remain fixed from the beginning of the year till end of the year. So by bank, because the business is started in this year only, 1st January business was started, so we'll take two bank. If the business was coming from previous year, we would have taken by balance brought down. So how much was the capital? 90,000 and 45,000. That's it. Simply we have to take carry down, brought down balance. जो total credit side है, same total we will take it on the debit side, carry down balance, brought down balance. That's it. Now, problem number 2, second problem. See the second one. Ravi and Giri are partners in a firm. Their deed provides the following: interest on capital 9%, salary 1,000 per month to Ravi and 9,000 per annum to Giri. Both the partners are allowed salary. Ravi 1,000 per month into 12,000. Giri 9,000. Out of the profits made, first 18,000 is distributed in the ratio of fixed capital contributed and the balance in the ratio of 3:2. तो जितना भी टोटल प्रॉफिट आएगा उसका पहला फर्स्ट 18,000 रुपीज को डिवाइड करेंगे इन द कैपिटल रेशियो. हाउ मच इज द कैपिटल रेशियो विल सी. और वो 18,000 के ओवर जितना भी प्रॉफिट रहेगा उसको 3:2 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करेंगे. द प्रॉफिट्स डिस्क्लोज्ड बिफोर दिस एडजस्टमेंट वाज 80,000. P&L appropriation account credit side 80,000. During the year their drawings were 6,000 and 5,000. Their capital and current account balance at the beginning of the year were as follows. So this partnership is having fixed capital method because they have the capital account and also they have the current account. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and current account of Ravi and Giri. दोनों का current account बनाना है तो P&L appropriation account. Now, P&L account. How much is the profit before making adjustment? 80,000. And interest on capital has to be paid. The capital at the beginning of the year were 1,80,000. 1,80,000. These are the capital before at the beginning of the year. And interest is to be paid at the rate of 9%. $9,000, $7,200. This is the interest. Now salary of partner. To partner's salary. Ravi 1,000 into 12,000. Then Giri, it is 9,000. So we have taken salary. Now net profit. Balancing figure. Transferred to Ravi Giri. The total on the credit side 80,000. From 80,000 subtract these 4 items, you will get 42,800. 42,800. Now this 42,800 will be divided between the partners according to the condition. What condition is given? First 18,000. Out of the profit, first 18,000 is to be distributed in the ratio of fixed capital. Capital ratio, working note I am showing. Capital ratio is 1 lakh is to 80,000 or 10:8 or 5:4. 4 zeros cancel अगर कर देंगे तो 10:8 होगा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 5:4. दिस इज द कैपिटल रेशियो. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट. Distribution of profit between Ravi and Giri. First rupees 18,000. 18,000. Yes, 18,000. First rupees 18,000 in capital ratio, that is 5:4. 5:4 के रेशियो में डिवाइड करेंगे 10,000 8,000. 18,000 into 5 by 9, then 18,000 into 4 by 9, we get 10,000, 8,000. Remaining, so total profit actually we got 42,800. 42,800 में से 18,000 minus कर 42,800 minus 18,000, 24,800. In the ratio of 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. 14,880. And here we get 9,920. Now total 24,880. And here 17,920. If you add up this 24,880 plus 17,920, definitely you will get 42,800. So how to divide 42,800? That condition is given. First 18,000 will be divided in the ratio of capital. So capital ratio 1,80,000. 5:4. 5 by 9, 4 by 9. Remaining balance will be divided in the ratio of 3:2. So 24,880 and 17,920. This is the share of profit. Now take a pause and copy down the working note. I am rubbing the working note right now. Now we have to make the current accounts. Partners current account. It is asking you to make current accounts. Ravi and Giri. By balance problem. So which partner is having credit balance? See the problem. Ravi is having 8,000 credit balance in current account. And Giri is having 3,000 debit balance. One partner is